today, well tonight, I told you about the bird seeds. Now it's about the bird seeds are gone.
But then, we collected more right here. So you could see how many we collected, and tomorrow morning we're going to throw them outside and see how many we're going to collect. Well, how many birds are going to eat them. So back to Migdalia.
Well, that's what my niece says.
What?
Birds don't go over to those kind of seeds.
And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, but birds eat seeds and they think they're really yummy and they eat them really fast. Well, I eat different kinds of seeds. They eat bird seeds. Okay? So remember that I love birds.